What's good, YouTube? Mr. Fresh Flakes here. And sorry I haven't posted in a while, but that's gonna change. Because these things are fat.
That's a devil.
Look at that devil. Hi, devil. It's okay, devil. His name is Paku.
It's okay. He'll overeat.
Okay. So, anyways, sorry I haven't posted in a while. Today we're here with Mr. Cheerio. Oh, now he's becoming a demon. Today we're gonna be playing with my dogs. I just changed the topic of the video.
What?
I just changed the topic of the video. It was just a sorry message, and now it's
Playing with the retards.
go.
The Paco does that weird thing. Go, 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 go. Paige, attack them. Paco, what are you doing? No, stop. Paco. 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 Stop. What are you doing? What are you? His little wiener was extending. What the heck? What's your problem?
Come here, Paco. Don't kill me, please. I love you. I love you. I love you. Don't bite me. Dude, he's getting closer. He's
Moving in. Oh, he's going for it again. Oh God, Phoebe, how are you okay with this? It's like
You're so fat.
Paco's like, what do I do now?
Come on, play with him.
Oh, the fat kid.
That's what the whole video is about.
What? I'm scared.
Okay.
Don't leave Paco to me. He's gonna attack me.
Paco, Paco, Paco. Hey, Paco. There we go. I got him.
Is he scared of that?
Hey, yeah, he's scared of this thing. Doesn't even do anything though.
Hey, baby.
Hi, you're
Hi,
fat.
baby.
You're fat.
He wants to bite me.
No, let her. Look.
You're fat, Phoebe.
It's so funny when she does. Wait, no. Paige. Shake. I said shake. Shake, you fatso. Shake. Sit. She doesn't do it unless she has a treat. Shake. Good girl. Do it again. Shake. Yep. But I know what to do here, Paco. I swear to God. Shit. What the frick?
He's eating a yo-yo. Well,
Stop, you fatty.
What's your problem?
It's so soggy. Ew.
He doesn't even wash it.
Paco,
Oh,
move.
guess what?
Move. You're so fat. Of course, he stands up. Gains, bro. I'm never saying that again.
He's doing it!
Paco, what are you doing with your life? Paco, stop! No.
Paco!
Hey, get that snapper doodle thing. Where's the snapper doodle? Why does he do that? There's Spade. Oh. That's disturbing. Never doing that again. Look at them, they're so chill now.
Look at that dog.
Phoebe.
Oh my God, meme.
And then there's that one.
Okay, that's all for my playing with my dog video. Huh? Okay, bye. Keep coming, rock on. Keep coming, rock on.